Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue east on US-74 and north on US-19. We're driving through the Nantahala National Forest with the Nantahala River just on our left. We'll only be following the river for another mile or so. We're in Swain County, North Carolina, near the unincorporated community of Wesser. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And hit the like button if you enjoy our videos. Here, North Carolina Highway 28 joins us for about 2 miles. Along this route, we'll see several signs advising of steep downgrades. Here, US-74 becomes the Great Smoky Mountains Expressway. The expressway runs 43 miles to I-40 and is 4-lane divided the whole way. Several segments of it are controlled access. The Great Smoky Mountains Expressway is part of Corridor K of the Appalachian Development Highway System. We're approaching the end of the concurrency with US Highway 19. Signs for the US-19 exit have Cherokee as one of the control cities, and that's where we're heading, but we're taking a different route. As we continue along US-74, this is also signed as US-19 Truck. We're just outside of Bryson City, the county seat of Swain County. Bryson City had a population of 1,450 as of 2018. We conclude today's video at the Tuckasegee River near the unincorporated community of Whittier and as we enter Jackson County. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.